Most people try to avoid being underestimated. They correct it, they explain themselves, they signal capability early. Calm people often don't, not because they lack ambition, but because they understand something most people miss. Being underestimated is not a weakness, it's a leverage. Being underestimated triggers a specific discomfort. You know what you are capable of, others don't. That gap feels unfair. It creates an urge to prove, to clarify, to be seen accurately. Most people act on their urge immediately. Calm ambition resisted it. Perceptions feel like control. If others see you correctly, you feel safe. But correcting perceptions early has a cost. It raises expectations. It increases scrutiny. It invites comparison. Calm people sense this intuitively. When expectations are low, resistance is low. Decisions pass quietly. Adjustments go unnoticed. Momentum builds without challenge. Underestimation creates a low-friction environment. That environment is rare and extremely valuable. People reveal more around those they don't fear. They speak freely. They explain themselves. They underestimate consequences. Calm people listen. Underestimation creates access. Access creates advantage. Calm ambition doesn't rush clarity. It allows misunderstanding to exist. Not out of insecurity, but out of patience. Correcting perception too early removes leverage. Calm people wait until outcomes do the correcting. Underestimation is not invisibility. You are seen, just not fully understood. That partial visibility is ideal. It keeps doors open while expectations stay low. Perceptions rarely shifts through explanation. It shifts through repetition. Consistent decision, predictable judgment, stable outcomes. By the time perception updates, position is already established. Momentum collapses under pressure. Underestimation reduces pressure. Calm ambition grows in environments where nothing is expected yet. That's where compounding happens. The moment you announce advantage, it evaporates. Attention sharpens, resistance increases, constraints appear. That's why calm ambition protects its process. Impatience ruins underestimation. The urge to be recognized arrives before leverage is fully built. Calm ambition tolerates delay. That tolerance is the age. Being underestimated is not something to fix, it's something to use. Low expectation creates space, space creates leverage. Leverage compounds quietly. That's the power of calm ambition.